Morning children, all of you take your classwork note. That day we wrote 2 questions. Now we are going to continue the third question. Okay, all of you take your classwork note. Third question, why Prince Henry is called the Henry the Navigator? Only 3 points. Write it fast. I give the time to you. Fourth one, name the important factories established by the Dutch in India. So how many factories they are implemented in India? Which places? 8 places are there. Pulikat, Surat, Chinsura, Kazim Bazar, Patna, Nahapattanam, Balasur, 8th one, Cochin. And fifth question, mention the trading centers of the English in India. Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad, Braj, Moosallipattinam, Chennai, Bombay, Calcutta, Hooghly, Salt City. Okay, write it fast. I give the time to you to write. Write fast. Write neatly also, children. Children, if you finish third question, leave one line and write the fourth question. Leave one line and write the fifth question. Okay, children? Did you finish, children? Now, leave one line. This is a Roman letter 2, okay? Give an account of the sources of modern India. 9 points are there, okay? You see the page and write it. Slide, okay? See, what is the account? If we account means evidence, I said, yes. From in the modern India, it has helped us to know about the political, social, economic and cultural developments in country. We get some source from there. Yes, from the very beginning, European recorded the official transaction in the state papers. So they are stored in these papers in the archives. It is stored in the storehouse, precious historical informations. So people began to know easily about the fields like art, literature, history and science through the written sources. They give us a lot of information and achievement of national leaders, and museum also help us to know the details. Okay, write fast. Coins also one of the good source to know about the administrative history. Write fast children, write it fast, write neatly also. Did you finish children? Now we are going to write the second question. How did the Portuguese establish their trading centers in India? 14 points are there, okay? So you write it. Very easy only. Write it fast and write neatly children. See the Vasco da Gama, one of the Portuguese. Yes, he came to India 3 times. Okay, first time 1501 came with the 20 ships, then 30 ships came. Yes or no? Yeah, then they are established a factory at the Calicut and Cochin, and again Francisco came, Alfonso came. Yes, Alfonso de Albuquerque came. He captured the Goa and he established the Portuguese authority in the Persian Gulf. Next, who came? Nino de Hunha. He moved the capital from the Cochin to Goa, and he acquired basin from the Bahadur Shah of Gujarat, and he occupied Diu. Later, they visited Daman from the local chiefs of Gujarat, and they occupied the Sanskrit. So, during the 16th century, Portuguese captured the Goa, Daman, Diu, Salid, Basin, Chaul and Bombay on the western coast. He succeeded in acquiring Hooghly on the west coast and Santhom on the Madras coast. Write it fast, children. You can write like this also, and you can put star also, no problem. Okay, otherwise you put 1 2 3 like that, or ABC also we can write. Okay, so point wise you want to write that only you can read, or you can study very easily. Point wise you want to study, that is very good for you. Okay, okay, write fast, write neatly, children. Some handwritings are not good, write it fast. Write, children, write fast. Did you finish? Now third question, children. How did the British establish their trading centers in India? Here 5 points are there. Remaining points also is there. Okay. Remaining parts also is there. Points also is there. So you write first. Write fast. Five points is there. Write it fast and balance points in next page. Okay. Write the third. How the British established the trading centers? Because they came with the permission of Elizabeth, Queen of England. இங்கிலாந்து ராணி என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, அவங்களுக்கு பர்மிஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ எம்பையர் ஜஹாங்கீர் permitted the English to establish their factory in Surat. ஓகே, at சூரத். ஜஹாங்கீர் எம்பையர் பேரரசர் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காரு, இங்கிலீஷ்காரங்களுக்கு ஃபேக்ட்ரியை எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு கொடுத்தாங்க. ஸோ சூரத் initially became the quarters of the English. In 1615, Sir Thomas Robb was sent to Jahangir's court by King James I of England. He remained at Agra for 3 years. He succeeded commercial traders with the empire. So Sir Thomas Ray also came and established the trading centers in Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad. Okay. So English established their factory in Mosolipattanam. The famous factory was built with whom is builder? Fort St. George. The East India Company built its famous factory is known as Fort St. George. In 1668, they acquired his land 10 pounds from the Charles II. In 1690, a factory was established at Sudani. The zamindari of the three villages of Sudani, Kalikada and Govindapur, the moon where zamindar என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, was acquired by the British. அவங்ககிட்ட என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, பிரிட்டிஷ்காரன்ட்டு வாங்கினாங்க. சரியா? So the new fortified settlement at Sudani was named Fort William in 1700. Write it fast, children. Write fast. Write neatly. Point wise you want to write. Okay, children? Write it fast and write neatly. See, every day you want to study these portions. Okay, at least per day you want to study the 3 questions. Okay, children?